The best way to market yourself as a new barber is go post in your local garage sale sites, your local neighborhood groups on Facebook. Post in there, say, hey, I'm a barber here, right here in your area. Come book with me and, I'm available. Post that every day, all the time. Keep it awareness. Post pictures of your haircuts in those Facebook groups. That's going to be one of the best ways to really build your clientele is by posting in every neighborhood group you can. Win over your neighborhood first, and then you can win over the rest of your city by other ways, whether it's just social media, flyers, going into business, meeting people. A lot of people always say social media is free marketing. It definitely is, but I still feel the best marketing is like shaking someone's hand, going inside a business that's near your business. Hey, I'm a barber in the area. If your employees, customers, if I could leave some flyers here, we're looking to get some business. You know what I'm saying? Flyers and old school marketing of meeting people, shaking hands, talking to people, networking events, all that stuff. Slept on way to get really loyal, good clients from all over the city. But those are some tips to market yourself.